Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make the best grilled chicken. In case you're wondering how I make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of chicken, 7 garlic cloves, sliced jalapenos, sliced onion, a half a cup of pineapple juice, a half a cup of orange juice, 1/3 of a cup of lime juice, 1/3 of a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of Chef Merito chicken red seasoning, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of New Mexico chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. First, we're going to start by making our chicken marinade. So in our blender, we're going to add our whole black pepper, our cumin, our chili powders, and I'm going to use half a teaspoon of salt. Chef Merito already has a lot of salt, so that's going to be up to taste. So I'm going to also add my Chef Merito. And if you can't find this one, you can use this one. It has the same ingredients. And we're also going to add our garlic cloves along with half a cup of water. And now we're just going to blend all together until we have a smooth paste. Alright, so once we have our paste, now we are ready to mix it with our juices. Alright, so now we're going to transfer our paste into a bowl. And I'm going to transfer the juices into my blender cup, so like that we can get the remaining paste. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. So now just pour the juice. And just mix it. Alright, so we're also going to add our oil. Okay, so just mix it all together. Okay, so once we have our marinade, now we're ready to transfer in our chicken. Okay, so I already cleaned out my chicken and I created 3 slits. So we're just going to throw it in our marinade. And like I said, you can use your favorite chicken. So I'm using chicken breasts, chicken thigh, and drumsticks. And for my chicken breasts, I cut them in half and also created 3 slits. Alright, so now we're going to add our jalapenos and onions. So just break down the onion. Your jalapeno. I'm using 3 jalapenos, but of course it's going to depend on you. So now just mix it all together and make sure that everything is nice and coated. Alright, so just make sure that your chicken is fully coated with the marinade. And you can let it sit on the bowl or on a Ziploc bag. So if I'm just going to leave it in my bowl. And now we're going to cover it with foil and we're going to let it marinate for 6 hours or at least 2. Alrighty guys, so I let my chicken marinate for 2 hours. So now we are ready to begin grilling. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. Alright, so I'm going to be using my grill and I have it set at 400 degrees. Just going to open it. And now we're just going to place our chicken on our grill. Alright guys, so now we're just going to let that grill for about 11 to 12 minutes on each side. Alright guys, so by this time our chicken should be fully cooked. So we're just going to remove it from our grill. And of course, we're going to check the temperature to make sure that it's fully cooked. Alright guys, so now we're just going to cover our chicken and let that sit for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes our chicken is ready. So now we are ready to serve. So grab your piece of chicken and just cut it. And of course you can serve it in fajitas or however, but look how juicy your chicken is. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I also grilled the onions and the jalapenos. That's just for extra flavor. So here they are. And let me tell you that the marinade, it's not spicy. Of course, if your jalapenos are spicy, then your chicken might get a little bit of the spice. Okay, and now I'm just going to grab my chicken. Look at that. And like I said, I'm going to be serving it with some vegetables. So I got my vegetables there. And of course, some salsita. This is guacamole. And my famous green salsa. And I'm going to serve it with some flour tortillas. But now we are ready to enjoy the best grilled chicken. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys what makes this chicken the best. It's the marinade. I normally cook it on my stovetop. This is actually my first time cooking it on the grill. But whichever way you make it, let me tell you that's going to be the best. So I hope you really give it a try and enjoy it. It's super juicy, super tender, so flavorful. Seriously the best, so enjoy. My kids like to enjoy it just like that. You know, all of the sides is just extra, but so good, so flavorful. Hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make the best grilled chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.